Are you making small English mistakes every day without realizing it? You may understand English. You may even speak English. But these small mistakes can make your English sound unnatural. Today, we will fix them step by step. In this lesson, I will show you common wrong sentences, correct sentences, simple explanations, practice examples. Important, speak with me. Don't just watch. 1. Talking about age. Wrong, I am having 20 years. Wrong, my age is 20 years. Not natural in speaking. Right, I am 20 years old. Explanation. We use I am to talk about age. Practice. I am 18 years old. I am 30 years old. She is 25 years old. They are 10 years old. Make versus do. Wrong, I did a mistake. Wrong, I did homework mistake. Right, I made a mistake. Explanation. We use make for creating something, mistake, plan, decision. Do for actions, work, homework, job. Practice. I made a mistake. I made a plan. I did my homework. I did my work. 3. Past tense after didn't. Wrong, I didn't went there. Wrong, I didn't ate food. Right, I didn't go there. Right, I didn't eat food. Explanation. After didn't, always use the base form of the verb. Practice. I didn't go. I didn't understand. I didn't see him. I didn't call you. 4. He, she, it plus verb. Wrong, he don't like coffee. Wrong, she don't understand. Right, he doesn't like coffee. Right, she doesn't understand. Explanation. With he, she, it, use does, doesn't. Practice. He doesn't work here. She doesn't like tea. It doesn't matter. Wrong, right. 5. Continuous versus simple form. Wrong, I am knowing him. Wrong, I am understanding you. Right, I know him. Right, I understand you. Explanation. Some verbs are not used in continuous form. Know. Understand. Believe. Like. Practice. I like this. I believe you. I understand the problem. Wrong, right. 6. Going home. Wrong, I am going to home. Wrong, I am coming to home. Right, I am going home. Right, I am coming home. Explanation. We don't use to before home. Practice. I am going home now. She is coming home. They went home early. Wrong, right. 7. Discuss. Wrong, let's discuss about this. Wrong, we discussed about the topic. Right, let's discuss this. Right, we discussed the topic. Explanation. Discuss does not need about. Practice. Let's discuss the plan. We will discuss the problem. Can we discuss this later? Wrong. Right 8. Return back. Wrong. He returned back. Wrong. I will return back soon. Right. He returned. Right. I will return soon. Explanation. Return already means go back. Practice. I will return tomorrow. She returned home. They returned late. Right. Wrong 9. More. Better. More. Faster. Wrong. This is more. Better. Wrong. He runs more. Faster. Wrong. This is better. Wrong. He runs faster. Explanation. Words like a better and a faster are already comparative. Practice. This is better. She is faster. This phone is cheaper. Right. Wrong 10. Very versus very much. Wrong. This is very much good. Wrong. I am very much happy. Right. This is very good. Right. I am very happy. Use very with adjectives, good, happy, big. Very much with verbs. Practice. This is very easy. I am very tired. I like it very much. Right. Wrong 11. Using only correctly. Wrong. He is coming today only. Right. He is coming today. Explanation. Only is often unnecessary in this structure. Practice. I will do it today. She called me today. Wrong. Right 11. Using only correctly. Wrong. He is coming today only. Right. He is coming today. Explanation. Only is often unnecessary in this structure. Practice. I will do it today. She called me today. Quick practice. Repeat after me. I am 20 years old. I made a mistake. I didn't go there. He doesn't like it. I know him. I am going home. Daily tip. Don't try to fix everything at once. Learn 2 to 3 corrections daily. Use them in real life. Challenge. Write 3 correct sentences in the comments. Example. I made a mistake. I am very happy. I didn't go there. Remember, fluent English is not about big words. It's about correct simple sentences. Fix small mistakes daily, and your English will improve fast. Subscribe for more easy English lessons.